Hey, congratulations! You made it to the end of the course. And now you know all the keys to optimizing your App Store listing and maximizing your visibility in the App Store. However, the App Store and Google Play Store are constantly evolving, and that's why I've named this slide the Ever-Changing App Marketplace. So use the skills that you've learned in this course to adapt to these changes, because what's valid and current for right now may not necessarily be the same 6 months or 1 year from now. Things are slowly evolving and changing, and Apple and Google are changing their search algorithms all the time in their App Store. So think critically. You want to test and evaluate the results in everything that you do. And form your own systematic optimization strategy. And most of all, take action. I wanted to thank you for going through this course and just really believing in me, and I really hope you enjoyed the course. I sure enjoyed making it. So definitely, please keep in touch if you have any questions or any concerns about the course or just App Store optimization in general. Please keep in touch with me at bennett@appoptimized.com. And also, I would really appreciate it if you could just give me your feedback on this course. And if you could just go to this link that's at the very bottom of this slide and fill out a very short survey for me. And the web link is eserve.org, and it's just $U equals ASO course feedback. On that screen, there's going to be about 5 questions, just rating, like a 5-star rating of what you thought about this course, as well as some comments that you can enter in. It would really help me out in creating future courses, and I would just really like to know what you thought about the course. Once again, thanks again for taking this course, and I hope to see you in future courses. Take care.